Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
Photo, August_0802, Shutterstock. Some people are blessed with the gift of being able to fall asleep anywhere. Except in situations where anywhere includes places like a work meeting or the subway. Other people are only able to drift off under a very specific set of conditions, like a made bed with cotton sheets, the room temperature set to 68 degrees, a bedside fan pointing towards their feet, and a sleep mask. Video player is loading. Current time 0:100, duration 1:05, remaining time 1:05. Company is interested in learning more about how different environments affect a person's sleep quality, and is looking to hire someone to do the sleeping. Here's what to know and how to apply. What the job entails: a website called Sleep Standards is currently seeking someone to spend 5 nights sleeping in different environments, including 1 night in a luxury 5-star resort. In addition to all their expenses being covered, the successful candidate will also earn $2,000 for 5 nights of work. G.O. Media may get a commission. You're probably on board with the resort, but where will you be sleeping the other 4 nights? Per the job description, if we choose you, we will send you to a new sleep environment every night. In each of those environments, we will carefully adjust several environmental factors that we think might improve your sleep quality. You can expect different settings in each place. Not to worry though, these settings will in no way harm your physical and mental health. The successful candidate will then be required to write an honest report about their sleep experience each night, paying particular attention to how each of the adjustments made to their specific sleep environment affected their sleep quality. They'll also have to rate each sleep environment on a scale from 1 to 10, with 10 being the best possible place to sleep. How to apply the application itself is pretty straightforward, and can be found here. It's all the usual stuff, plus indicating how many Facebook and Twitter followers you have, and a 100 to 200 word statement on why you're the right person for the job. The application also involves making a 60-second video introducing yourself and making the case as to why you should be selected. Applicants must be U.S. residents aged 18 or older. The deadline to apply is March 30, 2021. Subscribe to our newsletter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more how-to and informative videos.